This is what I was working on, but it takes our hiring system and make it even more complicated.
What exactly are you building out here?
It's the future of enterprise hiring.
Looks like you added more steps, more forms, and somehow even less connection with candidates.
I call it Hiring System 9.0.
Wait, what? It doesn't support global workflows, or multiple languages, or basic usability.
They won't adopt it until they understand it, and they won't understand it even after they use it.
Why can't I see what candidates we contacted globally?
Oh, it doesn't support multilingual workflows.
We're a global enterprise.
Exactly. Imagine the thrill of guessing. When we press this button, we activate Hiring System 9.0. We eliminate consistency, global compliance, and candidate experience.
Why would we do that?
Activating in 10, 9.
You didn't fix bias, you didn't fix compliance, you didn't fix candidate experience.
But we did lock them into 5-year contracts.
Did it just die?
It wasn't supposed to.
Hello. There's a better way to hire. Presenting Eximius, multilingual hiring, global compliance, bias-free assessments, instant candidate outreach, pay-as-you-go freedom, and zero ghosting, ever. Hiring that respects candidates, protects your brand, and works across languages, cultures, and continents.
We should have used this from the start.
Does it have a countdown timer?
No, it just works. Eximius. Hire without chaos. Scale without compromise.